Hello everyone, thank you for following along through week 4 of our Geoinformatics course at INRS. This week, we focused on georeferenced data acquisition. We discussed different techniques and technologies for georeferenced data acquisition. We reviewed the basic principles and the components of a data acquisition system, including the transducers, sensors, data loggers, data transmission units. We also touch on the modes of deployment, like in situ and remote sensing. We also talk about passive and active sensing. We illustrate the deployment modes using the global observing system of the World Meteorological Organization. We introduced terms and concepts like georeferencing, the global navigation satellite system, triangulation, and positioning error correction techniques, including real-time kinematic and post-processed kinematics. In addition, we dive into the concept of coordinate reference systems and define the two main reference surfaces, the geoid and the ellipsoid. A special attention was granted to geographic reference coordinate systems and projected coordinate system, as well as the different types of map projections and their effects on shape and orientation of maps. We also illustrate the encoding of these coordinate systems according to the Open Geospatial Consortium's well-known text markup language. We looked at some basic concepts in remote sensing, including the electromagnetic field and light spectrum, wavelength, frequency and their relationship, spectral band, spectral resolution, spatial resolution, and temporal resolution. We conclude the lecture showcasing a number of spatial data sources and formats and a practical exercise to work at home. As always, you will find a link to download the lecture materials, or you could visit the Geoinformatics page on the Omni Data Lab website like you would see in the subtitle. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.